everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy, and in today's video I thought maybe we would look at recreating this layout here. It's in the January and February catalogue at the moment. I just thought it looked really nice. I mean, I'm not going to do it exactly the same as this. I'm not going to have a bird up here. I'm probably going to have a monkey, and I won't have baby because I'm not doing a baby photos. I'm going to use some of my son's scout photos on here. Alright, so let's get going, and I'll explain what I've done. I've pretty much cut everything out already, but I'll explain what's going on when we do it. Okay, let's get going. Alright, so what I've decided to do is use a retired colour as my base page. Normally I would use, you know, a whole page of this, but I didn't want to waste all of this in the middle, so I used my Cricut to cut the centre out. So it would have normally been, you know, all of this, but this would have been wasted paper, but so I can use this on another project. So that's why I cut that out. Right, so I've got that, and then I've got Espresso, and then I've got White Daisy. And I have already cut out all the little pieces I need on the Cricut. So there are all my leaves, and these are, I've got a few of these, some twigs. And they are from the Flower Market Cricut collection. I'll pop a link up. I'll put a picture up there and put a link down below so you can check it out. And this and these two here are from the Sweet Safari Cricut collection. So again, I'll pop a link down below for those. And this one here is from a retired stamp. I just thought it would look good going with that as well, so I'm going to incorporate some of that. Alright, so let's get going and start sticking some of this stuff together. So you can see that just sturdies it up a little bit, but you can't see any of the purple through the other bit. So, and that way I'll save some paper. Alright, I'm actually going to use some of the distressed oxide mustard seed, because I don't know if you can see it there, it's in here and it's up there. So I'm just going to have a go at putting a little bit on my page just to see how it goes. So I'm going to use a shimmer, candy apple shimmer brush to add a little bit of sprinkling on there. Dry a little bit. I'll just pause it while it dries. Okay, I'm back. It's dried now. Okay, so I'm going to add this piece on here, and we'll probably add it about there. In the thing again. See, this is actually I reckon it's probably about 3.5 inches. I've actually made mine 5 inches because I'm not using 3 photos. I'm actually going to use just 2 photos, but they're 4-inch photos, and these are 3x3 inch photos. So that is why, you know, I've changed it up a little bit. Got all my leaves and all that things that I've got there that I want to pop on. Oh, I've got a zip strip as well to put on down the bottom. I've got my two, I'm using Sundance as the, actually I might use that side, as the photo mats, and they'll probably go about there. So, starting to think that maybe I should have cut that off. Okay, I fixed my error, so that should have been 10.5 inches along there. Alright, so these are my 2 photo mats. So I'll bring in the other page. So they're using, yeah, 3x3 inch photos, whereas I'm using 2 4x4 photos. So just changed it up a little bit. Alright, so let's just start placing where we want to place our leaves. roughly go there. Sloth. I have plans to use this one and this one, but I think they might be a bit too big. Yeah. So this is the page that we were using as our reference, and this is our completed page, which I'm pretty happy with, because like I said, I don't have babies. All my kids are, I've got 2 teenagers and 1 in primary school, so you know, I don't have babies, so I thought that I would show you that you can use this paper pack, not necessarily for babies. Alright, well, I'm going to leave the video here. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already done so, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Alright, don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Alright, bye.